Hello everyone, my name is Mir Nawaz and we are here for the group presentation of the second assignment of the corporation law. Before we start with the presentation, firstly I would like to tell the case name, which is Google Engine versus Australian Competition and Consumer Commission. Now let's talk about the issues. What were the issues in this case? That by displaying the sponsor link, Google was responsible for the misleading representation which was made in the advertisement or not. Well, the ACCC, which means the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission, has argued that Google has displayed a number of misleading and deceptive links on its Google search engine between the year of 2005 till 2008, which leads the viewer to view into it, which was not required so, and that causes the harm to the companies as well. Well, the Google search has been separated in the two different parts. The number one is the organic search result, and while the other one is the sponsor link. The organic search results are linked to the web pages that are ranked in order of relevance to the search term entered by a user. Well, while the other one is the sponsor link, which are paid for the advertisement that are often displayed at the top of the search engine. Now let's go a little bit more further about this case, and the sponsor links are created by hundreds of thousands of advertisers who subscribe to Google AdWords program. Now let's go talk about the rules. What were the rules? What rules can be applied for this case? The rules which can be applied for this case is the prohibition of misleading or deceptive conduct of Section 18. Section 18 is actually all about the provision, is the catch-up of public provision which provides that Google shall not engage in misleading conduct or deceptive conduct.
Sure.
Hi, my name is Umar Khan and now I will tell you the applications and according to the code, did Google mislead people or not? Google displayed sponsor link to the website of STA Travel, Carsale Trading Post and Australian Dogs. Sponsor links for the companies were displayed when users search for competitor business. For example, a user searched for Harvey World Travel. A sponsor link for STA Travel was being displayed. A sponsor link to STA the elite purpose was to divert web traffic away from a competitor, or that elite purpose was to divert web traffic away from a computer, or that a commercial association existed between the two. It was the common grounds that sponsored links were misleading. The common question of High Court was whether Google engaged in misleading or deceptive conduct by displaying the link on its search engine. The High Court held that Google simply responded to user requests for information, which is a means for communication between the consumers and the advertisers. The High Court held that Google is not responsible and it is an advertising intermediate link like any other. For example, newspaper publishers and broadcasters. This is because the technology behind the sponsored links were merely assembled, the info provided by other for purpose of displaying advertising.
My name is Sahir Ali. So I'm doing the conclusion of this case study. I will tell you about the court judgment and my group opinion as well. So according to the court judgment, court said that Google is not responsible for any misleading advertisement because Google did not create any sponsor link. The sponsor link is already was created by the advertiser who is doing the advertisement on Google. So according to my group opinion, we think that Google can take actions before that if Google know that there is any misleading advertisement. So Google take the responsibility and do some corrections on that, and there are lack of control in that. So that's why Google can take some responsibilities and Google can do this better. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.